In this video, you'll learn how to get introductions and missing contact info from your network. Then you'll learn how to receive referrals from potential customers. First, let's start with how to get introductions and missing contact info for people from those in your network. Let's go over a common scenario. You know a lot of people in your volunteer community. You have contact information for a few of them, they're in your phone, but you don't have a way to reach the rest of the potential customers in the group even though you know them by name. Another scenario is that you just want to get the phone number of your friend's mom or aunt. So VectorImpact gives you a powerful way to source phone numbers from your network. First, go to the People section and click on Add in the top right-hand corner. Now, manually add those folks that you know of but don't have their phone number. Here I'm putting in JD's aunt and a few others. Next, go back to the Customers tab. You'll see everyone you added marked with Needs Introduction, along with a checkbox in their row. A little tip, you can filter your contact list to just those contacts that need introduction using the Filter dropdown. Then check off the potential customers you want to set up an introduction for, then click Set Up Introduction at the bottom. Now you'll see all your contacts, both friends and potential customers. Now select one or more contacts that will help you source numbers for each one of the contacts you selected in the previous step. Then click Request Introduction. It's important to know that each time you request introductions from one of your source contacts, we update an intro list for that source contact in the background. In other words, we are keeping tabs on who should intro whom. Now let's hop over to tasks. You'll see that one of your tasks is Request Introduction. You will use the Request Introduction task to reach out to each source contact via text message. In the text, there's a personalized URL where they will go and enter in phone numbers and correct names if needed. So what does the source contact see on the page link that you sent them via this text message? They'll land on a page that looks like this, with your information of course, and the name placeholder replaced with their name. On the next page, they will see a list of all the requested introductions that you have set up for them. One really helpful feature here is that if someone in your network provides you with a number for a contact, that contact won't show up anymore in everyone else's lists. So you only have to collect it once. Lastly, your VectorImpact contacts will automatically update with the proper tasks and state after you receive their contact info from your network. Okay, so we covered how to get contact info from people in your network. Now we're going to cover how you can receive referrals from your potential customers. After booking an appointment with a prospect, the Send Meeting Confirmation task will be created. Inside the confirmation task is a link to the MyCutco Rep app welcome page. This page encourages the prospect to download the MyCutco Rep app. The customer should download the app for their device. Okay, after your presentation, you'll ask the prospect to open the MyCutco Rep app. They're going to enter your rep number and their meeting code. You likely already sent both your rep number and the meeting code prior to your appointment using the task called Send Access Meeting Code. However, if they misplace the code, you can find and share the meeting code to them at any time from within their VectorImpact profile. Next, the prospect is just going to do a very short review of your presentation. After the review, they will see your rep bio page and notice the share button at the bottom. By design, the app doesn't take the prospect directly to the page to receive referrals. This gives you a moment to explain how referrals help you reach your goals and how the process works. So when ready, you can direct the prospect to click the share button. Now the app will ask the prospect for access to their device contacts. This will just display the contacts in the app. No contacts are going to be shared with anyone at this stage. Now the prospect can go through their contact list and select friends and family who love to cook. Once they're done selecting contacts, they'll click Share Contacts at the bottom. The contacts they share here will now be available in your VectorImpact account. The next step is to get personal introductions to each referral. When the prospect clicks the Introduce button on a contact they referred, they'll go to an introduction page. Here, they will see a personalized text message teed up for them to send. Optionally, they can add a selfie with you as a nice added touch. Clicking Copy to SMS app creates a new three-way text message with the prospect, the referred contact, and you. After sending the text, the prospect should mark the shared contact as introduced. The prospect can continue sending introductions, and meanwhile, go ahead and refresh your VectorImpact Customer tab. From the search dropdown, select Referred, and all of your referred contacts will be there. Okay, so you're now ready to get introductions, get that missing contact info, and get a ton of referrals through the MyCutco Rep app. Thanks for watching.